Hello, Jason here. Where can you find a septic tank and soakaway that's easy to install and will save you thousands of pounds in installation and purchase costs? Have a look at this. Imagine a septic tank and soakaway kit that you or your builder could easily install in just 3 hours. A kit that came with all the pipes, the tank, an inspection chamber and the soakaway. It's called the septic tank and soakaway kit, and it's really easy to install. First, just dig a trench, then dig a shallow hole in which to put the septic tank. Once you've done that, dig another hole for the inspection chamber and another one for the crates. Then just place the pipe in the trench, the tank in the hole, and then place the inspection chamber on the outlet side of the septic tank, and then place the membrane into the hole. Then all you need to do is put the crates on top of the membrane. Take you a few minutes, they simply just clip together. Then connect the pipe from the inspection chamber into the crates and cover over with membrane. Job done. It really is as easy as that. Then just cover everything over with soil and then you can seed it or turf it. Job done. So what are you getting with this amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, you're getting 15 meters of orange underground pipe with the connectors molded onto them. You're getting the amazing bullet shallow dig septic tank that requires no concreting. You're getting a German inspection chamber, and you're getting the amazing septic tank soakaway crates. Plus, you're getting the free membrane worth £100 that comes with them. So, if you're looking for a septic tank and soakaway that's easy to install, that's fully compliant with UK building regs, and comes with free membrane, comes with a German inspection chamber, and can be installed in just under 3 hours, then the septic tank and soakaway kit is for you. All you need to do is click the link below this video.